Here I have Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and let me show you how to speed up this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here let's open Phone Manager, and in Phone Manager you can go back to the following screen, and you can optimize the device just by clicking the optimize button. The device is boosting performance and optimizing the system. Let's tap done to this report. Here you can also use cleanup, and you can, for example, here clean junk videos, unused apps and other stuff. Here you've got the report. You can also go back here and you can perform some other operations such as the virus scan, for example. But basically optimization and cleanup should boost your speed, should speed up your system. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.